In this video, I'll be showing you how to get URL for picture. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, let's say you want to send a URL to someone with an image, and you want to maybe send it to multiple people, and the easiest way to do that is through a link. Maybe that link is going to be to a QR code or anything like that. It's going to be linked to a QR code, so then when they scan it, it opens up an image or anything like that, or it prompts them to download an image. So it's very easy to go ahead and do this. What we're going to be using for this is we're going to be using something known as WeTransfer for completely free. So all you want to do is type it in on Chrome and then go ahead and open it up. Now, when you're at this stage, all you want to do is add your files. Now, you can even add multiple images if you want to, but we're going to click Add Files. Then we're just going to go ahead and find whatever image we want. So let's just say this one right here. Now, all we want to go ahead and do is press these three little dots, and then you're going to see Create Link. You're going to see Send Email as well, but obviously we want to create a URL for the picture. So now all we want to do is press Get a Link right here for that image. And then as you can see, that link is right there. And then we can then copy that link if we want to. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. There is nothing else to it. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.